Hi everybody. Want to do an update on the ideal for the guitar body. I didn't get to finish it before I came to the Philippines. I ended up going down to North Carolina to help my son move from North Carolina to Michigan. The first few days we were there, I was there, we loaded up a pod full of his furniture and everything to haul up there, and also loaded up my truck, his car, everything. My daughter came from Tennessee and helped us, so that was a great help. He was crunched for time, didn't have any help, so we went down and helped him. We left North Carolina. Oh, it was 8 or 9 o'clock in the morning on, I forget the date. Date doesn't matter really too much. And we got into Michigan. It was getting dark, so it was about 11 o'clock before we made it to the house he was moving into there in Michigan. I helped him unload and everything, stayed a couple of days with him, and caught a flight back to the Philippines, had him drop me off at the airport. So that would help me a lot too, because it was cheaper for me to fly out of Detroit. Usually I come into Nashville, have my truck in Kentucky. My brother picks me up and drops me off, or another family member. But it was a 7 hour layover if I went from Tennessee, and from Detroit, it was only like a 3 hour layover. But if you've seen my other video about the worst flight ever, that's on my other channel actually. But ended up with a 7 hour delay, and I missed the flight here in the Philippines, but that's another story. So anyway, what I did get done on the guitar, I did get the gun stock oil finished on the body. I put conductive paint in for shielding on all the cavities, both sides around the pickups and everything. I drilled the holes for the switch, the potentiometers, all that. Had that pretty much ready to go. I put a black stripe along the edge like I had talked about, planned to do. And I made the back cavity covers for the switch and the controls. Made them myself. I just took, I didn't like the white ones that I had that came with a kit. So I just made them out of some stuff I had for making pickup or pick guards. And I did get the neck all fretted. I don't have a picture, but I got a picture of where I started fretting it and started leveling them and crowning them, but had to go. So everything's sitting there in Michigan waiting to be finished. So my next trip to the United States, I plan on finishing it, and I'll make a video of the finished guitar when I get it finished. So I just wanted to give an update on that, because I know I had a few videos, and anybody watching them is maybe thinking, well, what happened? You know, he just quit making videos or what? Well, I had to catch my flight back to the Philippines, and I wanted to help my son and spend some time with him, because otherwise I wouldn't have got to spend any time with him or my daughter. So I got to spend time with both of them, and that was worth it to me for the travel and the work. So anyway, thanks for watching. Have a good one. Bye, y'all.